Namaste everyone. Today we will practice yoga which is suitable for office workers. If you are working in an office and you have stress in your body, or if you have any type of long sitting, this session is going to be very useful for you. So let's see how yoga can help you in few minutes. I will try to make this session for 20 to 25 minutes and we will try to cover up the whole body. So let's see how we can bring up new positive energy every day. So even though you are so busy sometime, you have no time to go for yoga class, but you can follow up this session and it can bring tremendous changes in your life. So let's start now. We will start from the top of the body and go down step by step. So it's like a taking bath, and like water cleans our body from the top to the bottom, exactly the same way we will bring the changes in our body, bring the movement, mobility in our body step by step. So first we start with a breathing. Just deep breath like this for almost 30 to 45 seconds. Keep your back straight and move your belly. Don't move your shoulder, and try to get more and more oxygen. This is our purpose. We need to get more oxygen in every breath. And use your nose. In the beginning, maybe some people will feel dizzy, but it's completely normal. So you don't need to worry about if you feel dizzy during this breathing practice. It's fine. After 2-3 minutes relax, you will be okay. And change. Now look up, completely up, keep your eyes open and repeat the same. Again 30 to 45 seconds. And now look down, try to touch your chin down in the bottom of your neck and start the same breathing. So this is the first part. Don't confuse with the Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is not what we are doing here. You don't need to focus on the rhythm. You just need to go fast and louder, as much as fast as you can go and as loud as you can go. That's what you have to do. And in the second step, you need to move your neck a little bit, left and right side, because when you are working in an office, I imagine you are using your computer a lot. So it brings different type of stress in your neck, cervical pain sometime some people have. So even if you have cervical pain, then again this practice is going to be very, very useful for you. Just keep moving left and right side. Try to touch your ear on your shoulder, both sides, and move left and right side. If you have neck pain, don't bring it down. Don't need to do this. You don't need to do this. You need to avoid this practice. Just keep your neck up and go back side. That's what you can do in another step. And then go left and right. And you can hold left and right side for like 15 seconds, and then 15 seconds on the top, and then 15 seconds on left and right side where you are touching your ear or shoulder, and then you finish the step 2. Now we move to the shoulder parts. Move your shoulder a bit clockwise. Keep your both hands on your knees and keep moving your shoulders as much as you can. Try to make a big circle Imagine like your shoulder are the brush and you are making a big circle on paper, and then anti-clockwise. This will be very helpful to open up our lungs and release the stress of the shoulder. Just keep moving this way, and then that's all. Now both hands, stretch your fingers as much as possible, and then move them up and down, just like that. Because working on computer for a long time, it brings a lot of stress in this part of the hands, in a wrist, in a palm. So we need to release that as well. And keep your elbows straight and use your 100% energy when you practice this exercise. Now we go to left and right side. Keep your breathing normal. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. Don't try to change the rhythm of the breath, and don't hold the breath. Now we will hold this pose. Hold this position. Raise your fingers upward and stretch your fingers as much as possible. Hold it for a while, for about 5 to 7 breaths. While you hold the position, you can close your eyes. You will feel a little discomfort in your arms. It's completely fine. Don't worry. If you feel stretching, if you feel a bit pain, if you feel a bit discomfort, it's a sign that you are releasing the stress. And now completely relaxing down. Lose your muscles completely. Let the blood circulation go downwards again. Deep breath. Inhale deeply. Exhale deeply. Inhale deeply. Exhale deeply. Inhale deeply. Exhale deeply. Now we move to another one. Now thumb inside like this and close your fingers. Bend your elbows and rotate your shoulder. People who have frozen shoulder, it's a horrible disease. People are not able to move the shoulder properly in this problem. So when you practice this, it will help you to release, to get out of that problem. Try to make a big circle with your elbows and try to joint your elbows in the front. From outside you can see the movement of the shoulders, but from inside you are also moving your lungs. Every circle you complete, your lungs got more and more stretch. This is the purpose of this practice. And keep your breathing normal. Don't change your breath. Inhale from nose and exhale from nose, and change the side anti-clockwise now. Same method. Bring your elbows together in the front. The bigger circle you make, the more advantage you get, the more benefits you get. This is the secret of this practice. And that's all. Just release and relax. After every practice, you need to relax for about 15 to 20 seconds to increase the ratio of advantages. So this is the secret of yoga. When people keep doing it in one flow from beginning to end, the advantages, the benefits are less. When you take rest between each practice, the advantage also increases. That's how the yoga works. Okay, now we move to the spine and go left and right. Just you keep sitting on your chair and you can hold the arm of the chair and then stretch left and right side. That's what you can do while you are sitting in your office chair. I am not sitting in an office, but I can still guide you, and this is the best part of my job, that I am not sitting in an office. So even though when you go out for traveling in such a beautiful place, you can try to practice this. It will be still helpful for you. After doing it for 10 to 15 times, you can hold here and count 20 seconds, or just keep focusing on your breathing and try to count 5 breaths. And slowly come back. That's how we manage the time from left and right side to bring the balance in both sides. Count again the five breath. And then slowly come back. Now release your shoulder and we do the twisting a bit. Move your both hands left and right side. Just hold your chair arm and go left and right side as much as you can. Or if you are sitting on the floor, you can touch your knees like this. And now hold it. Left side, right hand on your left knee and left hand behind, and hold it for a while. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. Inhale and come back. And now change the side. Right hand on your left knee, left hand on your right knee, sorry, and then change the side. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. Inhale deeply and slowly come back. Now your upper body feel much more relaxed. Now let me find another stone which will be substitute as your office table, so we can continue this practice. Okay, so now assume like this is your office table and this is actually my office table. So you can use this stone or you can use this table. Put your hands on the corner and then move your spine. According to your height and according to your ability, you can go far away or you can come closer, whatever you like. And just try to do an easy back bend. Try to look up as much as possible and try to make a semicircle with your spine. When you repeat it 8 to 10 times, don't forget to hold in an end. Holding is very, very important in yoga. Without holding, you are doing something else, not yoga. So when we repeat couple of times to make our body used to, now we hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and slowly come back. If you don't have table, you can use the wall as well. You can push against wall. That is another way you can do. And try to bring your one leg on the table, or whatever height you have, your leg is making 90-degree angle. This is perfect. That's what we need. And just with the breathing, go down, exhale and down. You have to breathe out, exhale and down. In the beginning, if you feel difficulty or pain under your knee, then you can bend your knee a bit like this, and then you can go down, and after some practice you can straighten your knee. Again the same rule, when you repeat it for like 10 times, then don't forget to hold here and rest for a while. Try to relax your legs, relax your spine, and hold for 20 seconds, and then slowly come down and change your leg. Always remember, breathe out when you go down. This is very important. And now when you repeat it a couple of times, hold it for a while. Again same, you can bend your knee a bit if you feel difficulty, or if you are easy after some practice, you can straighten your leg completely. Hold about 20 to 30 seconds. Hold it, and slowly relax and come down. And when you finish your practice, don't forget to chant Om in the end for about 15 to 20 times. Let me show you how you're gonna do this. Just sit with a straight back, inhale deeply. After every Om, you will feel peace of mind, you will feel calmness and relax in your mind, and try to make longer and deeper. Try to make it 15 to 20 times at least. You can also practice this before you sleep, and you can also do Om chanting when you wake up in the morning. It will bring amazing fragrance and beauty and happiness in your day, and it will give you very, very positive energy. Thank you for watching, and thank you for practicing. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and share this video if you are still here, and I will see you around. Namaste.